let's see how to change the desktop background on Fedora. So to change the background image on Fedora, the easiest way to do it is figure out the image you want to use. You can go find the image that you want to use. For example, let's say that this is the image that I want to use. I can right click and then set as wallpaper. You may need to change various settings for the image. So you can see the background there, it's a little zoomed in. You can change various settings for the image. So let's see how we can do that. I'm just going to right click on the desktop and then I will click on desktop settings. So here you can also select different images. If you want to use another image other than that, you can select an image there. For instance, if I want to use that, I can select that, but I'm just going to click on the image that I want to use because it serves well for the purposes of this video. Let's say, for example, you want to make the full image visible. You can change the style of the image right there. So right now it is zoomed. If you scale it, you'll see that the image will look like that. Maybe you make it tiled. You're going to have a tiled image. You can make it centered. And also, if you want the desktop background to be blank, you can just come in here and click on none, and that's going to remove the image. You can also make the image automatically transition. Maybe you want it to transition after every minute, right there. And you can make it transition in random order. But of course, you're going to have to choose an image there. So let's say, for example, we change the style back to tiled, and you can wait for some time for the image to change, and it's going to change in that folder. So the folder that is there, that's the one it's going to use to auto change it. You can select a different folder. So let me just wait for a minute and see if it's going to actually change the image automatically. There you go. You can see after a minute, the image was changed to the next image right there. That's how you can change the background image on your Fedora desktop. And this is XFCE. So that is also important. XFCE desktop, XFCE Fedora. All right, that's it for this video. Until next time.